How's everybody going? It's Motech Moose with Motech Performance, and today we're going to be doing a Lamborghini Huracán STO. This car is already sporting a Boost Logic twin turbo kick. It's stock ECU currently, and we're going to be changing that, and we're going to be installing our Motech ECU package along with some sensors and some fail-safes to go with it. Now we have Justin pulling the intake manifold apart. Once he gets that off, we'll get the fire rings in. We're also going to be replacing the spark plugs on this car. We're going to be using some number 8 NGK iridiums. So this car is going to remain on 93 octane. We're not going to be doing ethanol or flex fuel. But let's take a look. We have the Motech ECUs out now. We have our fly bleed harness already ready. Also, you can see here we have our 4 map sensors on this particular setup. We're going to be running some boost sensors that are going to be before the throttle body, as well as 2 that are going to be after the throttle body. That way we can monitor our boost levels pre-throttle and intake manifold as well. Also, we have our intake air temperature sensors that will be going in, and through this process we will be deleting the mass airflow sensors off of the car. From there, we'll get the car on the dyno, see what kind of power it can make. Finished up the car on the dyno. Let's take a closer look at the dyno graph. So as you can see, this car made 894 wheel horsepower, which is going to be this red graph here, and it also made 742 wheel horsepower while on 4 pounds of boost. So you can see from 4 pounds of boost to 8 pounds of boost, the car picks up about 150 to maybe 200 wheel horsepower throughout the entire power band. With these Motechs as well, we also have our traction control system engaged. So once we drive this car on the street, it should be a very nice, smooth ride. Shouldn't spin the tires. The power is going to be tapered in almost perfectly. Also included with our Motech ECU install is going to be our transmission tune. So one of the biggest things about these cars, when people decide to tune them and still have that stock ECU, they're very known for a lot of very jerky shifting. When you go to slow down, you're going to have very harsh shifts that kind of downshift from 4th to 3rd to 2nd to 1st, and they're going to yank you and kind of buck you around. With our transmission tuning and the Motechs installed, all of that is going to be diminished. Once we slow down the car, you're not even going to feel it downshift. You'll be able to stop from 60 miles an hour to 0, and you're never going to feel not even one slightest jerk from a downshift or a gear change. That's going to be while you're in comfort, while you're in sport. So it's honestly going to be a completely new car when it comes to the drivability and the shifting. That's really where this car is going to shine with this Motech ECU install. In the future, if the customer decides to upgrade his fueling, this car has a lot more horsepower on reserve with the right fueling and with the right clutch upgrade. So now that we went ahead and we discussed the dyno graph, you guys were able to see some of those dyno pulls. Let's take this car out on the street. Let's see how it performs. Let's see how it shifts. Let's hear how it sounds. Previously with the stock ECUs, it shifted horribly. The client even stated to me that he was actually scared when he would slow down for the downshifts to come. Very, very, very smooth shifting. With our tuning and our Motechs installed, you have perfect shifting in this car. Alright, so now that we went ahead and did some regular, normal comfort driving, we went ahead and we put the car into Trofeo mode, pressed the ESC off button one time to turn ESC off. Now the Motec Traction Control will take care of the rest. The car is also going to shift on its own when it hits the rev limiter, so now we just hold on, floor it. Extremely smooth. For a rear-wheel drive car, you would typically expect 900 wheel horsepower to be very violent. As you can see with the traction control system engaged, it doesn't allow the car to spin while maintaining the most power